Before getting started, I would like to know that why does everyone keep saying one apple a day keeps the doctor away? What's the theory behind it? Is it even true? And if it's true, why is that so? What's so good in an apple that will keep all the diseases away from our body? Well, let's find out everything about apple. An apple is an edible fruit produced by an apple tree. Apple trees are the most widely grown species in the genus Malus. The tree originated in Central Asia, where its wild ancestor, Malus sieversii. Apples are one of the most popular fruits, and for good reason. Apple is exceptionally one of the healthy fruits in all species. Apples are high in fiber, vitamin C, and various antioxidants. They have low calories but are highly nutritious. Apples are mainly composed of carbs and water, basically simple sugar in the form of fructose, sucrose and glucose. Apple is also very rich in fiber. A medium-sized apple has 17% of daily value fiber. Apple is so filling that it even helps you in weight loss, also lowering the blood sugar levels and boosting digestive functions. As now we are already discussing its nutrients, then let us take a look at all of its nutritional value. A medium-sized apple has 180 grams, which consist of 95 calories, 25 grams carbs, 4 grams fiber, 14% of the reference daily intake (RDI) of vitamin C, 6% of the RDI of potassium, and 5% of the RDI of vitamin K. After having so much of the nutritional value, it still has a small number of other vitamins and nutrients like vitamin A, E, B1, B2, B6, copper, and manganese. Now let's find out its main benefits. Apple is also rich in polyphenols, which may improve digestion, brain function, and blood sugar levels, as well as protect against blood clots, heart disease, and certain cancers. As apple contains soluble fiber, it can also be linked to lower risk of heart disease, as they can help lower your blood cholesterol levels. The polyphenol in apple has known for lowering blood pressure and reducing bad LDL oxidation, and this is the reason it acts as antioxidants. They also help in preventing the tissue damage to beta cells in our pancreas. These beta cells are responsible for producing insulin, thus this means it can also help in lowering the risk of diabetes. Apples have several naturally occurring compounds that may help fight cancer. Also, they have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds that may help regulate immune responses and protect against asthma. Also, according to the research, scientists have found that apple juice may help preserve acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that can decline with age. Low levels of acetylcholine are linked to Alzheimer's disease. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to know more updates on health and lifestyle.